Oh, wow, great. So you're a sketch drawing artist. Wow. Live also you can draw. So after you can see somebody and you can draw.
It takes time.
So colorful paintings you are also doing.
4 different kinds of colors.
Also you are teaching.